Alleged gunmen surrendered to the police after a tense standoff in Junction, St. Elizabeth.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hostage situation involving approximately 5 gunmen and 3 employees at a Court Ready Cash outlet in Junction, St. Elizabeth was resolved after the police managed to de-escalate a tense standoff. Reports out of Junction say 2 men alleged to have been involved in an attempted robbery at the loans agency have surrendered to the police. However, it is being alleged that about 3 men may have escaped. Reports yet to be confirmed by the police say at about 2 p.m. gunmen attempted to rob the agency, triggering a standoff with the police. Amateur video clips of cops surrounding the building and negotiating with the men to surrender have been making the rounds on social media.
Live in a junction.
No, you're not. Tommy, go. Tommy, can never kill him. No, you can.
According to one eyewitness, the police were eventually observed taking 2 men from the building before taking them to the station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!